Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Before we get started today, I just wanted to remind you that you have until September 19th to sign up for my 2 holiday card classes for the month of September. We are going to be doing Snowman Season and the So Many Stars bundles, and you can see here what you get, and you can also find more information in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So yeah, September 19th, now on with the show. Hey there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another week of holiday cards. This week we are going to be making some spinner cards, and today I am making hybrid cards. So I created these in my Silhouette software. These are all cut files from the Silhouette store. I will try to remember to link them down below. And I printed them, I printed the scrolly frames on the black, and I printed the other ones on the white, and I'm going to be foiling. So the reason why I can do this is because I have a laser printer. So if you have a laser printer, you can just print on whatever cardstock you want to, and then you can foil it. So here I have my Scotch laminator. The one thing you want to know is you want your laminator on the hottest setting. So if you have the Mink machine, you can use that too, but I'm just using a laminator. So I am using this deco foil from Gina K Designs. I just picked it up off Amazon. It is beautiful. It's pink, it's sparkly, so pretty. So I'm going to be doing 2 cards. I showed them to you. So one card, everything is going to be foiled in this hot pink, and the other one, everything's going to be foiled in like the reverse side, which looks like this. So I am putting the little ornaments on the inside of that circle there, because foil will only attach to where there is toner. And this way I don't have a big bald spot in my foil. So I'm just going to run that through. I've wrapped it just in a piece of coffee paper, and that's just to protect it. And here you can see that sparkle and shine. So I've cut that down to 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to be the front of our card. And then I cut out the middle using a circle from the layering circle framelit. So I'm going to bring that circle back in. Initially, I was going to use my pencil, and then I thought, no, I'm just going to do it this way. So I'm going to put it under it. I'm going to line up the card layer where it needs to go. So it's, where it's going to be centered. And then I'm just going to use my nail to kind of move it around, get the circle placed, and then very carefully, I'm going to pull up that layer and then put my circle down, adhere it with washi tape, and run it through I have a Gemini, but you can run it through your Big Shot, whatever die cutting machine you have. This is why I'm going to switch to purple tape, and it's because of the fact that for some reason the washi tape pulls up the black worse than anything. So yeah, pick up some purple tape if you want to. So here is a look at my ornaments. Now, they should be mirror images. I mirrored them on my Silhouette software, but the pink one somehow didn't end up mirrored, but the other one did, and it's hard to see because it's so foiled, but so pretty. So to make a spinner card, you're going to need something. So either clear thread, this is fishing line, you could use clear floss, anything that you have, you just need some sort of string, but I have a lifetime supply of fishing line there. And I'm just going to be adhering this fishing line with a Scotch tape. So I'm going to turn over my ornaments, and I'm going to line this up so it goes right down the middle of the ornament here, and then I'm going to adhere it with Scotch tape. And you want to make sure that you have enough line at the top and the bottom so you have enough to adhere to your card layer, because that's where we're going to do the spinning mechanism. So I am doing this in real time. The past couple of videos I've sped up, but this is in real time. I'll speed it up in a minute, but I want you guys to be able to see this in real time. So I've sped it up because now I'm just going to go ahead and adhere those 2 together with some snail. You can use liquid glue, whatever you have. You just want to make sure that you line them up and they're good to go. I mean, spinner cards can be intimidating, but they really are just really, really simple and easy. And I'm going to show you 3 different cards this week. So now that we have the line attached, we're just going to attach this to our card base. And again, our card layer, excuse me. Again, I am using, Scotch tape. And I'm getting that lined up, and then I'm just going to adhere it with that tape. You want to do it to the layer that you're going to adhere down. It just makes this simpler. I mean, you could adhere it to the card base, but then you have to worry about lining it up. To me, it just makes sense to do it this way. So once I've done that, I'm going to trim off the excess line because we don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to adhere this flat down to the card base. Again, just using snail. You can use liquid glue. You can use ATG, craft glitter glue, whatever your favorite adhesive is. Absolutely. And you just want to make sure that you've lined up the circles. That way you have your perfect alignment. And then I'm going to adhere the inside layer. Again, I just created this on my silhouette. I did print and cut instead of just cutting. And I just laid it out the way I wanted to. Initially, I had it all in the middle and you could see it behind, but I went ahead and redid it this way because I wanted the ornament to have that white background. So it's me. So, of course, I got adhesive everywhere. So that's an adhesive eraser from Xyron, I think. Works really, really well. We'll remove, the snail. We'll remove liquid glue. So when you put this in the envelope, go ahead and get that spinner mechanism twisted as many times as you can. And when the recipient pulls this out of the envelope, it's going to spin for them. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you Wednesday for another spinner card. Bye for now.